Hey, welcome aboard. It's Justin Costello with Marinemax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Galeon 500 Fly. Watching this tour of a brand new 2019 Galeon 500 Fly located at Marinemax Pompano Beach. I'm Justin Costello and I love to show you this boat. Great features, as you saw in the video, has a fold out sides, 3 staterooms, 2 bathrooms. Give me a call and I'd love to walk you through it in person. 954-633-2070.